Welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use bottom tabs in Flutter to do the bottom navigation. And as usual, I'll be starting with an empty template. And let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the tabs. So create a file, first tab.dart, and let's create the UI for the tabs. So that will be a class, first tab, that extends a stateless widget, and let's override the build method, and that will have a scaffold with a background color of green, and the body will be a container with a child, which is another center widget, and that will have a column and with an icon and a text. The text will say first tab. Let's make it white color, and the icon, let's set it to favorite, and the size will be 200 and the color will be white. Okay, now let's create the other two tabs. So totally we will have 3 tabs, and rename the second one to second tab. Okay, change this text to second tab and change the icon to add. Okay, now we will create the third tab. Okay, let's change the text to third tab and the icon to a shuttle. Okay, now let's go back to our main UI. Now we will add the TabBarView to our main UI, and that will take the 3 tabs as children. So let's import the files, first tab and the second and the third one. Okay, so now let's add those tabs, first tab, second tab and the third tab. Alright, now the next thing is we are going to need a controller. So let's create a tab bar controller. So that will be tab controller. Let's initialize it. Controller equal to new tab bar controller with a length of 3. So we have 3 tabs, and vsync.this, that's basically for animation. So with single ticker manager provider, ticker provider state mixin. Okay, so if you have a controller like this, make sure you dispose it when the widget is disposed. So controller will be our controller. Now we will add the bottom navigation bar. So that will be a new material widget with a color, colors dot blue, and the child will be tab bar, which will take 3 tabs, and the icon will be, the first one is favorite, so icons dot favorite, and the second one is add, and third one was a board shuttle. Alright, now we need to supply the controller as well. Okay, make sure you have the same controller for both TabBarView and the tab bars. Okay, let's make it centralized. Okay, so we have our bottom tabs now. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Hit the bell icon for notifications, and thanks for watching.